Hi everybody, and welcome back to our channel. We are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos, and right now we are trying to get a little bit of spring into the house.
Yeah, like Easter's.
Easter's coming.
Easter
in Norway, Easter coincides with spring, which is in March or April. A lot of you have followed us on Instagram, and maybe you've also seen our YouTube episode where we showed you around in the snow. And yes, during Easter in Norway, where we live in the mountains, we have a lot of snow. So right now we are very happy because the sun is coming and it's staying for longer.
The snow is melting?
The snow is melting, but we still have a lot of snow. So it's all about bringing in a little spring into the house.
So that's why everything is yellow.
That's why everything is yellow. We're trying to find nice springy colors. We've bought some lovely flowers that we've got here, and we're doing a little centerpiece for our Easter table.
Yeah, we brought these branches into the house. This is normally something you put in the house for what you call fastelavn.
Lent.
Lent.
Yes.
Lent.
You start, actually what you do is you go get these from your local charity. They do these branches with little feathers on them, and you buy them from your local charity to support them, and then you leave them until Easter, and then you get these lovely, very spring looking like branches, which are really nice. This year, unfortunately, we were not able to support our local charity by buying it because we were in Venice during Lent. And
So we're doing our own feather.
we're doing our own little feathers here. We're really sorry that we couldn't support our organization this year, but we are supporting them again next year.
So this year we're going to put the feathers on the branches. We have some old Easter decorations, and we're going to use the birds from our bird book. So we just put some thread on the back of the bird, so this time the bird will be on the branches.
And make these great centerpieces for our Easter table.
Yeah, and then we just sit down and we wait for these branches to get
Green.
to be green.
You can already see that they've got little knobs of where the leaves are going to come out. Little, leaves.
And we also brought our rabbits out. This is from our Easter book, and these three have actually lost their pong-pong. They've been traveling, and I don't know, a rabbit without a pong-pong, that's not cute. So we have to make new pong-pongs.
We'll make pom-poms for the rabbits.
Because they have to be out for Easter. And both these two have got new sweaters.
So,
Easter sweater.
Yeah. So we're definitely looking forward to Easter. It's a great time here in Norway. We get to, if the weather's good, we get to spend time in the sun. Then we get to change the clock. So we're going to get longer, brighter days now. And they're going to get brighter and brighter and longer. And by June, we'll have full daylight the whole day and almost most of the night as well. We don't technically have the midnight sun where we live, but we're pretty close to having it. So the sun would set around 11:30 in the summer. So that's what we have to look forward to. Lots of skiing during Easter. If the weather is good, we'll be outside sunbathing and enjoying the good weather, getting a little tan on our face.
Oh, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Or I get pink normally.
Yeah, and we...
or burned. So, and the birds, this is the Easter birds from our bird book. So this has a string for you if you want to put birds on your branches.
Sure.
If there are space for it. And we also brought out our egg sweaters.
Yeah.
So we will put on the Easter table.
The little egg warmers.
With the egg warmers.
Or actually our eggs are hard-boiled. The Easter eggs that we're going to have are hard-boiled and cold. But we still put the little egg cozies on for decoration. So I'm just going to keep attaching a few of these while Arne...
I'm working on it. This is the last one.
Yeah, and it's going to be fun to have this lunch for Easter, and then probably we are going to hit the skiing slopes if the weather is good.
So what they say in this series, put a bird on it.
Put a burn on it.
Put a bird on it.
Yeah, we have Easter eggs as well that we knitted. We've done a book on Easter with a lot of these different eggs. But this year we are doing the birds instead of the eggs. And the reason we're doing that is because we don't know where our eggs are. We've lost our eggs.
It's the house that's eating.
Yeah, the house has had a few eggs for breakfast.
Eggs.
We were going to do this tutorial, you know, preparing everything, looking for everything, to be professional, of course, when our team arrives. And our team arrives and we are freaking out because we can't find our Easter eggs, except for one Easter egg, the one that we actually knitted for this year, which you'll get in a separate tutorial. So yeah, couldn't find our eggs, so that's why we have birds this year. And I hope our eggs turn up somewhere. So, I don't know. It's all a big chaotic mess here. Arne promises that things will get better once he gets a new space to archive all of these things.
Remember, we have those. Remember to put these on, and then...
Okay.
I think we'll go somewhere and put on the pong-pongs.
Yeah, but we need to set the table as well.
You can set the table and I do the pong-pongs. Or you need help?
I think I need help.
Okay, so... Are you finished?
Well, I'm almost finished with these so that we can start doing the table. Yep, so we have jumped a little bit ahead and decorated the table a little bit in advance so that we didn't have to do it here while you saw it. We're gonna get some friends to come over and have lunch with us, and this year, because of course Easter, we're having eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and then we're having some nice pasta, which is Arne's favorite. After that, which is not very traditional Easter, but who cares? Anyway, we've got our little egg warmers as well. These come from our book Easter Knits. And as you can see, we've also embroidered Arne and Carlos. So an A for Arne, a C for Carlos. These are really perfect as place cards as well, or instead of place cards. And now that we've done that, we have to figure out which friends we want to invite for lunch, to sit them on this side and then embroider their sweaters with their initials. We have a list of friends we could invite, so let's figure it out and ask them to come. They should be here in like 2 hours, so we have plenty of time to do the embroidery.
It's easy.
It's super easy.
Super easy.
So anyway, this is our Easter decoration this year. Every year we do a nice little centerpiece for Easter, usually with our charity. This year we've had to do it on our own, so it's not going to be as green as it usually is. But I still think this looks very springy and very cute. So I think that our lunch this year is going to be a success as well. So, that being said, let's thank everybody for watching. We need to go and embroider these before our guests come.
Yes.
And I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Please, if you like the video, click on like. If you have comments, suggestions, ideas for tutorials you'd love us to see, let us know and we will consider it. And until next time, thank you so much and see you again soon. Bye.